Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to create split screen in your mobile for viewing two different apps on single screen. For that, you first need to open an app. If I come to my app list, so there are two apps are open. I first open this one. It is on the screen, and I have this, and then I come over here and come app and for split screen. So on the second in the list there is option for split screen view. I hit this, and now the two apps are on the split screen. This is the Park app, and this one is the this one is, if I click any of these app now, these are the different apps. If I click any of these app, it will be viewed on the half bottom of the screen. So I select this one, right, and you see it is viewed over here. I can go like this. This is one app and this is another app. So I have two different apps on the same screen. This way you can split your screen for two apps, so we call this split view. Now if you want to interchange the position of the two apps, you can hit the green bar over here and the two arrows up and down. I click on it, so it will swap the positions of the two apps. Now the YouTube app is on the top and the Park app is at the bottom. And similarly, if you want to go to single screen, you need to press the three dot, and here you see these option appears. So I hit the double arrows. If I click the double arrows, it goes to full screen. Now I am on a single full screen. So this way you can move from split screen to full screen, from full screen to split screen. At the end, please don't forget to give me a like on the video, and thanks for watching Safi Mixed.